Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video we are going to be discussing how we can transfer money from Paysafe over to our PayPal account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you basically have some funds in your Paysafe account from your Paysafecard and then you want to transfer it over to your PayPal account, the first thing you want to understand is that in an official way Paysafe and PayPal has not been working together to make this process possible. However, there are some other solutions and websites that you can use which are basically third-party websites that is going to help transfer your funds or your money from your Paysafecard or your Paysafe account over to your PayPal account. To get started, what you need to do is just go ahead and then launch your browser and then just search for the keyword called TransferBay. Once you search for TransferBay, you'll find the first link that says transferbay.org. I'll make sure to drop this link down in the description box. Just tap on the transferbay.org and then you will land on this page right over here, where it'll ask you to transfer from Paysafecard to your PayPal, and there is only 3% transactions on transactions that are actually higher than 25 euros. So if you're transferring over to 25 euros, it's going to deduct the 3% fee balance. Of course, you have to keep that in mind. Then you need to simply enter the card code of your Paysafe account. Then you have to enter the email address of your Paysafe account as well as the balance that you want to transfer. So once you select the balances that you want to transfer, just select the transfer button. Once you hit transfer, it may ask you for other login details of Paysafe, and then it'll ask you for the login details of your PayPal account. Once you enter the login details of your account, depending on the working business days of this website, they're going to transfer the funds from your Paysafe to PayPal manually. This is not an automatic process. A person is going to review your transaction and then actually transfer from Paysafe to PayPal. So hope this video helped you, but as I said, there isn't an official way to do this, but you can still transfer funds using these websites. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.